Hi friend, welcome to my Math Club channel. In today's video, I will tell you about relation among trigonometric ratios and important equations in a trigonometry. This is a very important topic. If you go to the next class, it will work. Watch the full video. Now, the first topic is relation among the trigonometric ratio. Relation find करण्यासाठी आपल्याला एका राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलची गरज आहे. तर लेट राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल PMN, let right triangle PMN is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now in this right angle triangle, the angle M is equal to the 90 degree, and this angle P and angle N are complementary angle. Angle P and angle N are complementary angle. Complementary angle. Now if angle N is equal to the theta, therefore the angle N is equal to the theta and angle P is equal to the 90 minus theta. Now by this angle, then we find the relation among the trigonometric ratio. Then sin theta, we know that the sin theta is equal to the opposite upon hypotenuse. Now this relation of the sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is of this theta is PM and hypotenuse side is PN. Then PM upon PN. Then similarly we find then gives number 1. Then similarly we find sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. The opposite side of this 90 minus theta is NM. And hypotenuse side is PN. Gives number 2. Similarly, we find the cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of this theta is NM. Upon hypotenuse is PN. Gives number 3. Similarly, we find the value of the cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta means the adjacent side of this 90 minus theta is PM upon hypotenuse means PN. Gives number 4. Similarly, we find the tan theta. Tan theta means opposite upon adjacent. Opposite side of this theta is PM and adjacent side of this theta is NM. Gives number 5. And similarly, we find the value of tan 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta means adjacent side, opposite side of this 90 minus theta is NM and adjacent side is PM. From this we find then equation this 1 PM upon PN and this cos 90 minus theta PM is equal to PM upon PN means equation 4 are similar. Then equate from this equation 1 and 4. We write sin theta is equal to the cos 90 minus theta because PM upon PN are similar. Similarly, we from the equation 3 and 2 equate this, then we get cos theta is equal to the sin 90 minus theta. Similarly, this equation 5 and this equation 6 means this PM upon NM means if also note that this tan theta into tan 90 minus theta, we write tan theta is PM upon PNP NM and tan 90 minus theta is NM upon PM. Then by cancelling the NM then and PM then we get the value of 1 tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to the 1. Now this is the value we find. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to the 1. For more information, now we know that the 1 upon sin theta is equal to the cosec theta, 1 upon cos theta is equal to the sec theta, 1 upon tan theta is equal to the cot theta. It means cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta are a inverse ratio of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta respectively. From this we find the value of the cot theta is equal to the tan 90 minus theta by using the right angle triangle, and we also find the sec theta is equal to the cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta, cosec theta is equal to the sec 90 minus theta, and tan theta is equal to the cot 90 minus theta. This is very important result. Then it is useful to find the solution of questions. Now the second topic is the important equation in a trigonometry. Let the right angle triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. The angle PQR is equal to the 90 degree and angle R is equal to the theta. Now we find the value of the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Then value of the sin theta, then opposite value is PQ upon hypotenuse is PR. Similarly, we find the value of the cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent value is QR upon hypotenuse PR. Gives number 1 and gives number 2. By using the Pythagoras theorem, apply this Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, then we get PQ square plus QR square is equal to the PR square. Now dividing each term by PR square, then we get PQ square upon PR square plus QR square upon PR square is equal to the PR square by PR square. Then we get, therefore we get PQ square upon PR square, then we write PQ upon PR whole square plus QR upon PR whole square. This PR square and PR square get cancelled, then we get is equal to the 1. Then this PQ upon PR is, therefore this PQ upon PR is sin theta. Then we write sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square is equal to the 1 from 1 and 2. Then this square of this sin theta means sin theta square. It is right as a sin square theta. We have proved the equation of this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to the 1 using Pythagoras theorem, where theta is an acute angle of right angle triangle. Verify this equation is true when theta is equal to the 0 or 90 degree. Means जर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 ठेवला आणि थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री ठेवलं तरी हे इक्वेशन आपल्याला व्हेरीफाय करता येते, प्रूफ आहे का नाही तर. Here since the equation of this sin square theta plus cos square theta is true for any value of the theta, so it is a basic trigonometric identity. Then this 0 is less than or equal to the sin theta is less than or equal to 1. Then we get the 0 is less than or equal to the sin square theta is less than or equal to 1 from 1. And the second, then we get the 0 is less than or equal to the cos theta is less than or equal to the 1, and 0 is less than or equal to the cos square theta is less than or equal to the 1. So this is very important trigonometric identity. Hence आय होप तुम्हाला आजचा माझा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा. थँक्यू.